Current app connects to your bank account so it can track spending in real time and show available cash before bills hit. That matters because it changes how fast you can access small cash advances without waiting for a traditional loan approval. By the end, you'll know exactly how Current app and Dave app differ in cash advances, fees, speed, and who each one actually fits best. Current app is a mobile banking platform. Dave is a cash advance app built around short-term borrowing. That difference alone changes how they work. First, how the cash access works. Current app doesn't focus on traditional payday-style advances in the same way Dave does. Instead, it centers on giving you early visibility into your balance and spending so you avoid overdrafts and timing issues. If you're trying to get cash fast, Current is more about preventing shortfalls than actively lending money in a separate system. Dave works differently. It offers small cash advances based on your income and account activity. You request money inside the app, and it evaluates your eligibility before approving a short-term advance. Now the real-world use case. If your main problem is overdraft fees or spending control, Current is designed around that type of everyday banking. It acts more like your main account replacement with budgeting and debit features. If your main problem is needing a small amount of cash before payday, Dave is built directly for that situation. It's structured around short-term gaps between income and expenses. Next, speed and access. Both apps are designed for fast access compared to traditional banks. Dave focuses on instant or same-day style advances depending on eligibility and account history. Current focuses more on real-time balance updates and early awareness so you don't reach a cash emergency in the first place. Now fees and costs. Dave typically charges a subscription-style fee model, an optional express funding fees depending on how fast you want the money. Current uses a banking-style model where fees depend on the account features you use, not just advances. So here's the simple breakdown. If you want a budgeting-first bank replacement that helps prevent overdrafts, Current fits better. If you want on-demand small cash advances when you're short before payday, Dave is the more direct option. To decide, look at your main problem. Cash planning problem points you to Current. Cash shortage between paychecks points you to Dave. If this helped, subscribe for more clear breakdowns of finance apps without the confusion.